H. You put them together, put your hand together, and it becomes letter A. You put your hand together. Yan. Okay, now, put your hand together. Put your hand together. Okay, that's an A. Okay, good. When you open it up, it becomes H, A, H.
H.
A, H. Okay, so this is baby H. H is for?
H is for?
What's this?
For hat.
Hat. Okay, what's this? What letter is this?
What letter?
Julian, why are you using your other hand? You use your right hand. You use your right hand. Where is your right hand? Okay.
Look what I did. I made my hand.
What?
Look. Look what. Now I can count. 1, 2. There are 2 hands.
Julian, wait. Wait, let's finish these letters. What letter is this?
Wait.
What letter is this? What? What letter is this?
Baby. It's a baby.
No.
N. No.
N.
Oh.
N.
N.
For? N is for?
Long.
Nose. Yung nose ni Nina ang tinuturo mo. Yung nose mo. Okay. N is for?
English.
Again, N is for?
Long. English. Okay.
N is for?
No.
N is for?
Ilong.
Ang kulit.
Okay, why?
No, ilong is I. This one. Ilong. Igloo. Ilong. Oh, so, yes, but why this one? N. N is for?
For no.
Nose. Okay, what letter is this? This one. What's this?
Where? Where's your?
This.
Oh, that's M.
M for?
For apple tree. No. Oh, for mango.
Okay, good. What letter is this?
Where are you pointing? Oh, C for cow.
Okay, what's this? What's this?
F.
For?
Nemo. Oh, sorry. For fish. Nemo.
What's this?
A for apple. J for rocket ship.
Jet.
Oh,
Jet.
Jet.
Jet. Sige na,
Rocket
Jet.
ship.
Jet, say.
S.
S is for?
For snake.
What's this? What's this?
Oh, a K is for kite. And then C,
No. What's this?
that's B.
For?
For elephant. Oh, no. It's for bus.
Bus. Okay, good. What's this?
Oh, I know that. C.
Oh,
With elefante.
what's this?
English.
What's this? E for?
For elephant.
Elephant. Okay, what's this? What's this? Julian, what's this?
What?
Anong dadalhin? Bopis? Ito mo naman sa supot. What's this? What letter is this?
What is that?
What is that? What's this?
Where is it?
This one.
Oh, G.
For?
For? What is it?
If you are a boy, then this is a?
Boy?
No, boy is for B. What is the opposite of a boy? If you want a baby sister, then the sister is a?
Doll.
Girl. Girl begins with G. You are a boy and a baby sister is a girl. Okay?
I can see her like my hands. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's only like this. Only that.
Okay. What letter is this? For
Baby.
girl.
Bigger.
G for girl. Okay, what's this letter? What is this letter? For
R.
R for
R.
what is this? What's this picture?
R.
Oh, what's this picture? Oh, you don't know this one?
I know it.
What?
R for
What is this? Rainbow. Okay, what letter is this? What letter is this?
What is it?
Later we will draw your hand. We will draw candies. You listen first. What's this? What letter is this?
I.
I for. What's this? What's the picture?
I for igloo.
Okay, what letter is this?
Z for zebra.
Letter?
Z for zebra.
What letter is this?
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra. What about this one?
K for yo-yo.
K? This is K?
Oh no.
Huh.
Y.
Y. Y for
Yo.
yo-yo.
Y.
Okay, what's this?
V for violet.
Next.
U for umbrella.
We're done. We're done with the alphabet. Okay?
Yes.
Saan ko kukunin yung bahala?
I can make
Then.
my hand now. Oh.
Close ko to.
Else muna say.
Huh? Stop share ko muna. And then,
Close mo.
close ko to. Save.
This is my hand.
Close mo.
Asan dito?
That's my hand.
Minimize mo yun. Minimize mo yun.
This is look in my hand. Now let's make some candy. Let's make some candy. Oh, okay. I did. Yellow, brown, a little bit red.
Nasaan yung bahala? Wala? Okay, never mind. Julian,
Yes.
can you see the board?
Hindi ka pa kasi.
I don't see anything.
You don't see anything? Oh, can you see me now? Can you see me now?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Ay, ano yun? Parang snake. Parang lizard. Ganun ang lizard.
Eto nga, ang haba na ng buhok ko, kaya nakatali ang buhok ko. Ang init, mainit din dito. Mainit din.
What's this? How do you read this one? This one. Next. Next. What's this? Huh?
Look.
No.
Look.
The first one is
Sabi ko, sabi na,
Look.
the first one. The first one.
sabi nga nung
Look.
Next. Next. Next one. As if you're laughing.
Ha.
This one. Next.
Ha. Ha.
Okay, this one.
That look. Look.
No. Put your tongue up.
Look.
Okay, let's begin from the first one. What's the first one? What's the first one, Julian?
First one.
Julian, read lang tayo. Read lang muna on the board. Okay, what's this?
Ba.
Next.
Ha.
Next.
Look.
Okay.
Look.
Okay, next. Next. Julian. What's this?
Mo. 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 Mo.
Next. Next.
What is that?
Julian, on the board lang muna. Later, I will give you the time to draw your hand and count. Just on the board first. What's this? What is this letter? What's this letter? What's this letter?
Letter.
Okay, what's this?
Her.
Open your mouth.
Her.
Okay, let's start from the beginning. What's this? Okay, what's this?
Ba. Ba.
Next.
What is that?
Next.
Ha.
Next.
Look.
Next.
Ano ba yan?
Ba. Ma. Ma.
Good. Next.
Look.
Good. Very good. This one.
Letter?
First is, this is what letter? What letter is this, Julian? The first one. What letter is this? What letter is this?
Letter? Ano letter yan?
What letter is this? Julian, this one. What letter is this? You know this letter. What letter is this?
What letter?
Dua.
Ano letter?
No.
E.
P. This is P, right? This is letter P.
Look, hindi nga mo mabuti letter.
Put your lips together only. Then open your mouth.
No.
Again. Pa.
Pa. Pa. Pa. Pa.
What's this? What letter is this?
What letter is that?
What letter is this?
Baby?
Baby. Baby.
Isipin mo.
No. Put your tongue in between your teeth. Upper teeth and lower teeth. And then open your mouth. Ayun. Again. Ta.
Rainbow.
Huwag mo kagatin.
Don't bite your tongue. Just put it between your upper and lower teeth. Ta. And then open your mouth. Ta. Ta. Don't bite your tongue. Ta. Give it a little push. Ta. Ta. Say ta. Again. Ta. No. Ta. Ta. Okay, from the beginning, what's this? Louder.